Starling Bank has won Best British Bank a bunch of times. They're the bank I used when travelling around the world, and they're often bringing out innovative solutions to banking. Here are 5 changes they have made over the last few months and what I think about them. Number 1, virtual cards. They are basically everything that you would expect when ordering a new debit card. They have their own card number, CCV, balance, etc. The difference is that you don't get a physical card. It's just on their app. They are great for online spending and even better for money management. You could have a virtual card for subscriptions to keep them all in one place. Every time you sign up to something new, put it on your subscription's virtual card. Their balance comes from the space that they are linked to, so it's another great way to budget. Make a takeaway space, create a virtual card that's linked to it, and then use that when browsing Just Eat and you can't overspend and eat into your main bank balance. They also offer a bit of additional security because they do not share the balance or details of your main bank cards. Not for everybody, but they are free to use and easy to set up. So for those that would benefit from them, what a great free tool to use to help out with money management and security. Number 2, a 1-year fixed saver. Starling Bank now has a place in the Spaces section of their app where you can deposit money that will be locked away for 1 year and earn a guaranteed 3.25% AER gross interest. The restrictions are that you have to put in at least £2,000, but you can go all the way up to £1 million if you have it. If you have money that you absolutely will not need to touch for at least a year, then it can be a nice and safe place to keep it. You are FSCS covered for up to £85,000 and you know exactly what you'll be earning in the 12 months. Check out their website for more details. Number 3, Kite Link. A Starling Kite account is a bank account for kids. It links up with your own account and makes for an easy way to manage and track their money. Until recently, the only way to top up their account was you doing that from your main account. Now you can set up trusted friends and family members to be able to top up Kite debit cards with a secure link, saving you having to share your details and receiving the money into your account and remembering it to move it on to your kid's account later. It's one of those features that seems insignificant but makes things work a lot easier and can go a long way in making a kid feel like they have more control and understanding of money. It's worth noting that there is a monthly fee to use Starling Kite. At the time of recording, it's £2 per month. 4, spending insight changes. Money management using Starling's Insight just got a little easier with the ability to set custom date ranges. Starling does a great job of tracking your spending. Want to know how much you've spent on food out or entertainment in the last month? You should be able to find it there. And now you can set your own custom date ranges. So tracking expenses and spending habits just got a little easier. It's great for looking back and adjusting your budget. 5, profile pictures for payees. Another change that's easy to miss is the updated graphics on the Payee section. You can now see a bank logo, which is useful when paying someone with multiple accounts. Adding a profile picture is possible now too, which if you use this feature a lot, can make paying people a much less laborious task. If you're planning a holiday soon, then check out this video here, where I explain why I chose the Starling travel card for my round the world trip. Like this video if I showed you a feature you didn't know about, and leave a comment about your favorite feature in this banking app. Thanks for watching, bye.